Royal PVC trim solutions offer the look and feel of wood without the maintenance. These products come in a wide variety of profiles, thicknesses, and lengths that make projects like adding PVC shutters to your home a snap. For this project, you'll need Royal 1x6 inch and 1x4 inch trim products. Before you begin, get creative and decide what styles of shutters you'll want for your home. Start by measuring the height of your window and count the number of windows you will be making shutters for. First, make the vertical boards of your shutters. For each shutter, cut 3 1x6 Royal PVC trim boards to the height of the window using your measurements. It's a good idea to cut all of the pieces you'll need for all windows at the same time. Next, determine the length of your battens. If your shutter design uses boards that will be flush, simply multiply the width by the number of boards. Now, make all the battens you will need. For each shutter, cut 3 1x4 trim boards to the width of your shutters. Place the 3 1x4 trim board battens face down on a work surface, and then lay the 3 1x6 trim boards face down on top of those trim boards. Create half-inch spacers and position those between each 1x6 board. Now position the 1x4 trim boards 5.5 inches from the ends of the 1x6 boards, and center the middle 1x4 batten. Secure each 1x6 to each 1x4 batten with 2 1¼ exterior screws per board. Once your assembly is complete, remove the spacers. Now you're ready to paint your new shutters with 100% acrylic latex in the color of your choice. For darker colors, especially dark blues, use a heat-reflective, formulated paint. Mount each shutter to your home with 3.5 inch exterior screws in each corner. Be sure to leave a 1/4 inch space between the window frame and the shutter for expansion and contraction. And now, your new shutter project is complete.